Hi, wild things. It finally quit raining, so I'm coming outside to hang up my bird feeder so the hummingbirds can maybe come and visit it today. While I'm outside, I wondered if you wanted to join me for a little story that we could do in our garden. So let's come over here and we're going to pretend we're like, I'm going in my garden and what can I see? Let's look all around. Oh, do I hear a bee? Can you buzz around like a bee? Buzz, 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 buzz. Oh, I'm going through my garden and what do I see? Look at the ants crawling around. Some of them are even carrying things really heavy. Can you carry something really heavy on your head around? Oh, you're so strong. I'm walking through my garden and what do I see? I see some pretty flowers. Let's take a sniff. Oh, they smell so good. Do you ever have pretty flowers in your yard? I hope so. I'm walking through my garden, looking at the ground. Oh, I see a wiggly worm. Can you be a wiggly worm as you squirm all around? Oh, I see the bright sun. It feels so good. And I feel the gentle breeze. Ooh, it gives me a little chill. I hear the birds. And here's my dog coming for a visit. So I thought I would take you around to see some other things in my yard. Let's go take a look and see what we can find. We had a lot of rain, so it's kind of hard. Some of my flowers that were blooming so pretty aren't so bright. But let's see. Here's a pretty purple flower. And let's go see if we can find some of the things. Oh, do you see that butterfly right there? He's right there. How cool is that? He's drinking some nectar from the flower. So cool. Look at his wings. Oh, see, there he is. Wow, that was pretty special. He's hanging around. He must be really, really hungry for that nectar. Let's see what else I can find. While ago, when I came outside, not that I really like these, but just like we talked about in our little story that we did at the beginning, here are, can you see them? The ants crawling on the ground. Oh, there's one. There he is. I wonder where he's going. He's not carrying a heavy load. Oh, there's another one. Crawling down and around. I wonder if we could see any birds. I hear them in the trees, but I don't know if we can see any. Let's go take a look around. Up, I hear them. They're way up here somewhere. Oh, I don't see them today. I do see a mayfly flying around. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, nope, he flew away. Everything is so pretty and green after the rain, wild things. I hope you were finding some things to keep you busy inside while it was raining. Looking around, seeing if we can find anything else fun. So let's see. Oh, some of you, I promised you, you could see. There's my kitty cat hiding in our flowers today. There she goes. That's Hazel. She's our kitty cat. She lives in my house sometimes, but she wanted to come out because it finally quit raining. Oh, I see another ant. He's crawling way up high. I don't know, wild things. No birds around right now. Nobody is at the bird feeder, but I think my dog is waiting to play a game of fetch. So we're going to go and we're going to play with him, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.